In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install IntelliJ IDEA, the IDE for Java development environment for your Windows 11 computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to come this website jetbrains.com, and once we are in this website, then we'll find this type of interface. So to download it, at first we need to click this download button. Once you click the download button, it will give us the download option. There are different options are there, but first we need to choose which version we want to download. Like there are Windows version, Mac OS version, and Linux version. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click Windows version, and now it will give us two options. This is Ultimate, which is like paid version, and there is a Community Edition version, which is completely free. So I'm going to download this version. To download this version, we just need to click this download button, and very shortly it will start downloading like this. And once it is downloaded successfully, then we can directly install this on our Windows computer. We have to wait till it finished downloading this software. Once it is downloaded successfully, then we just need to double click on top of it to start the installation. I'm going to double click, and very shortly it will bring us the installation window. It will give us this type of warning. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes button because we are going to install this software. I'm going to press this yes button, and very shortly it will bring us this window. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup, and there are two buttons are there, next and cancel. We have to press this next button, and very shortly it will bring us the location where we want to install this software. The default location is fine, and it is showing the total space is required to install this software. It is needed like 3.5 gigabyte of space, and my computer has this much space. Okay, fine. Then we have to press the next button, and then very shortly it will give us this option. So here what you need to do, you just need to click everything from here, add, open, then Java, Gradle, Groovy. You can use all of them, but if you want to uncheck, you can also do, but later you need to configure this later. So this is the easiest way, so I'm going to choose all this option, okay, so that it will be configured very easily. Now I'm going to press the next button, and then here it is showing like choose start menu folder, like that. I'm going to press the install button again this time, and very shortly we'll see that a progress bar will be completed. Once the IntelliJ IDEA IDE is installed successfully, then we'll get this type of confirmation message like is complete, and there is a finish button. We just need to click this finish button to close this window, and now we are ready to start the application. I'm going to click start or this start menu or search box, and then I'm going to type IntelliJ. It will show us all the list of items, and here I see IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is there. We just need to click here to start this application, and where we can start developing our Java based application or project. So once we click here, it will bring this menu. From here at the beginning, it will ask us to confirm all the license agreement. I'm going to click here to check this, and then I'm going to press this continue button. Once I press the continue button, it is asking data sharing. I'm not interested for data sharing, so I'm going to press this don't send this button, and very shortly it will start like this way. Now it is asking us to import the settings from Visual Studio Code. I don't want to import anything, so I'm going to click this option skip in import, and then very shortly it will bring like this. Now we can customize, like we can change the color of this thing, like theme, this thing we can do, but I'm not going to show you those things. You can do by yourself, and also you can change the font size like 13 to 14 or 15 cc. I'm going to choose like 18 font, and very shortly it will be bigger like that. Now I'm going to click the project to start my first project. So I'm going to decrease this size a little bit. Let me check. No, it's not able to. I am not able to do this thing. So that's fine. So projects, then there are a couple of options are there, like new project, open, clone repository. I'm going to click new project so that it will bring us this window. Now here we need to configure everything. So I'm going to type the project name like FewSteps demo, for example, and here I'm going to choose Java, and then location where it will be saved this project. like that. And then after that, there are a couple options are there, like build system, IntelliJ, Maven, Gradle. I'm going to use Maven for this thing. Then JDK. So if your computer has installed Java, it will automatically configure. Otherwise, you can choose from here. You can click here, download JDK, and then from here you can also choose those JDK. So here it is showing like Oracle open source JDK. This is detected JDK which I already installed. You can choose this thing, or if you want to install the latest version of JDK, you can also choose like download JDK, and from here you can choose the version. Right now at the time of recording I see version 25 is there. I'm going to choose 25 and vendor location where it will be installed, and then I'm going to press the select button. But before going to click the select button, here it is showing like what is the actual size this one. So I'm going to click the select button to install that thing, and then after that, once it is done, then we can press this get button to go to the project. Basically we can close this thing, and very shortly it will open like this window. And here if we click here, we'll see everything. So I'm going to expand whole window. Now we'll see this type of window where there will be code, and this type of structure is there, and we can start developing our project. We can also run this thing from the terminal also. Here we see the terminal, we can run this thing, but I'm not going to show you. The main idea was to show you how to install this thing, and if the JDK is not installed properly, you can click this icon, and very shortly you will see that the JDK will be downloaded very shortly and it will be installed. So that's it. In this way we can easily download and install IntelliJ IDEA IDE on your Windows 11 computer.